Hello everyone, my name is Audrey Powell and I am the founder of Spicegrove. Spicegrove is a beverage company and I produce a hibiscus ginger beverage. This beverage is in 2 flavors right now. We have a sweetened and we also have unsweetened, which just simply means no sugar added, but you can sweeten it with natural sweeteners like agave or honey or stevia, whatever you choose to. This is a functional beverage, which simply means you could have this drink as a refresher as is, or you could add it to cocktails, or you could make popsicles. You get the idea. So today I'm going to use this beverage to make a marinade, and it's a barbecue sauce marinade. So you just need really simple ingredients in your kitchen that you can find in your kitchen to make this marinade. All right, so here we go. So we have right now 1 cup of ketchup. Okay, so we're going to put that in here. I hope you guys are having a great day. And then we have 1/2 cup of molasses. Love molasses. Makes everything taste so rich and good. Okay. And then next we have 1/2 cup of our Spicegrove Roselle. Now I'm actually using the unsweetened one, so you could actually use the sweetened one as well, but I'm using the unsweetened one. And then I have a teaspoon of lime juice and a teaspoon of cider vinegar. There we go. And here we have some little secret ingredients that I like to put in. I have just a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, salt and pepper to taste, and it all goes in there. And then last but certainly not least, you need your Worcestershire sauce, which is right here. And now I'm just going to whisk this all together and get this all nice and infused. And I can tell you, just the smell of this alone, I can't even imagine just marinating your food, your meats, whether it's chicken, ribs, fish. It's going to be pretty amazing. All right, so you want to get it nice and all blended together. I think if I had a whisk, that might be best, but I guess I'm not that well equipped. I don't know. So here we are. Oh my God, that smells so divine. I wish I had someone here to taste this other than myself because, whew. All right, so that's all you really need. So there you have it. And let me just give this a little taste. Oh, this is so good. I mean, the flavors together with the Roselle, it's really good, guys. So happy eating, and I'm going to post the recipe as well, so you'll have that. But look at that. Yum. All right. Well, have a great afternoon and happy eating.